The planes of the head. In this lesson, we learn to build up the head from simple planes. This knowledge helps you to understand the 3D structure of the head, and it will be essential for rendering it correctly in light and shadow. Now let's get rolling. You can build up a head from simple planes. These are the primary planes of the head. Each plane has a different orientation. I'm cross-hatching with red to show the orientation of some of these planes. Note that the eye sockets are illustrated with receding planes. The nose is built up from 3 major planes. But you could ask, why are these planes important? First, the head is a complex 3D structure with full of curved surfaces. Shading curved surfaces is challenging. By simplifying these curved surfaces into flat planes, we greatly reduce the orientation of the different surfaces on the face. As a consequence, we simplify our shading task. Shading a flat surface is always easier than a curved one. Once you know how light behaves on these surfaces, what you will learn in the next lesson, you will be able to shade them properly. You can easily decide on which plane has to be darker or brighter. Now we take one step further. These are the secondary planes of the head, or the second level of complexity if you like. With these secondary planes, you get to a real head's complexity pretty close. You still don't have to deal with curved surfaces, but shading a head like this, it will start to look like a real head. Now notice that each numbered plane has a slightly different angle. This is the information that we're going to use to determine how dark or light a plane will be when we start shading. This plane structure is important. If you can memorize these planes, you're making a big step forward in head drawing. Just keep a copy of this on your desk and have a look at it time to time. Now this drawing shows even more details of the face. The lines here and there are derived from the underlying bone and muscle structure of the head. It's useful to have some anatomical knowledge. We will look into this in the facial expression lesson. Now let me do some sketching and show you that with these planes in mind and with some perspective drawing knowledge, you can draw a head in a minute. I encourage you to memorize these planes. They will help you to build any head. Your drawing will be well proportioned and you'll be able to render it easily. Hope this lesson was useful. In the next one, we're going to learn the basics of shading or rendering on simple 3D objects. See you in the next video.